Alright, YouTube, as you can see, it is a snow day. I gotta work early today. We really ain't had too much to do. It's been kind of real slow. And y'all know, I have not been recording myself at work like how I usually do. So I was like, you know what? I'm an industrial apprentice on the track to be an industrial electrician. So I feel like I'm kind of, I used to do commercial work too. Only thing I really haven't really too much done is residential, but I heard residential is pretty easy. So I'm gonna start doing a little more house projects. Today we're gonna put up a ceiling fan. I've never put a ceiling fan up. We were supposed to put ceiling fans up when I was in school, but we never got around to it. So I know that sucks, right? But it should be pretty simple. So that's on today's agenda, man. But I just had to come out here and enjoy this beautiful little snow for a little bit. And yeah, I hope y'all been enjoying this winter, man. Y'all know it's Alabama, we ain't really used to bad weather, so I'm talking about it get cold, start snowing, we all work quick. But yeah, man, I ain't finna talk too much. We finna get ready to yeah, do some work. Finna be some type of productive on this off day. I'm finna show y'all the fan I got and stuff though, so yeah, let's do it. Alright, y'all, trying to get my camera right. Alright, so this is a fan right here, as you can see. Fit in my lap. It's not too big of a fan. The one I really wanted was like a newer style fan. It was small and like the LED light wrapped around it, but they ain't had those in stock. So I was like, you know what? This is my first time doing this. I don't want to get nothing that's too big. I just want to get something that fit the room, because it's a small room. And yeah, this fan I got, it wasn't super expensive either. We're gonna see how it hold up. If it's a good fan, I'll let y'all know. If it's trash, I'll let y'all know. But yeah. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. We can go see. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get ready to take the light off so I can see how I'm about to mount this. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the breaker off because yeah, I don't got time to be in somebody asking me to walk in. Oh, it's dark in here. Bloop. And yeah, y'all, so we got a little headlamp on. Let me go up in here real quick. Oh, this ain't no, hey, this the freak light. What's going on? Alright, we got a headlamp on, y'all. Hope y'all can see pretty good. I ain't trying to blind y'all, I'm just trying to do a little work. Alright. This is what our break look like. I didn't record y'all, but I did some work in my grandparents' house. They literally had fuse, like they had to fuse a fuse box panel. Like, the old school ones where you gotta twist them. I wish I would have recorded that video, because that would have been pretty cool for y'all to see like what actual old school panels look like. I didn't even know you can touch them, bro. I didn't even know that you can touch them. But all right, let's see. Our stuff is labeled here. Okay, we got bedroom. This is plugs. These is all plugs. I'm looking for the lights. Let's see. I see LTS 1, 3, 2. Okay, I'm gonna try 24. Actually, it is on 24. What? 22? Let's try 22. I don't think that was it. All right, y'all, that was not it. Let's try 20. Nope, not that one. I'm guessing LTS is light, so I'm gonna hit all these until we know them. All right, I think that's the one. Okay, not the right one, okay. Oh, okay, not that one. Wait, which ones did I hit? 24, it is no 24. My mind bad, y'all. Y'all literally watching brain right. I even forgot what I already hit. I think I hit 1, 3. I want to hit 2, but it ain't no 2. Let's try Arc Fault LTS. I don't know what that is. Should we try it? Let's try it. Okay. All right. I don't know why they say Arc Fault, but apparently that was the one. This is interesting. I don't know. Well, hey, we figured it out though, so let's do it. All right, y'all. Just remember, I gotta get a ladder. So before I take this down. Let me grab a ladder. Oh snap! It's blue or it's green? Okay, yeah, we got an old. Oh my gosh, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This ladder is sketchy, but this is all I got right now. So I'm gonna use this wooden ladder. I have never used a wooden ladder ever. Like, well, probably like, well, not work wise. I never used one. I'm dropping stuff. Oh my goodness, y'all. We're going through the struggle in this one. Yeah, I got the wooden ladder. I'm finna go to set this up, and I'm finna go take this old light fixture apart. All right, y'all, we're back. As you can see, let me show y'all the setup. Actually, I can't show y'all the setup because my camera's still, but yeah, I'm on this sketchy wooden ladder, and I had to get a good angle for y'all. So yeah, we're finna get ready to take this light apart, and yeah, hopefully I don't fall and break my neck. So yeah, I gotta readjust those. I'm kind of far. Just had to talk to y'all real quick. So one sec. Y'all can see? Yeah, y'all should be able to see. All right, so. I ain't gonna try to be rough in there, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do this quick. Not too quick, but quick, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Hey y'all, do not do what I'm finna do. You might break something. But yeah, it's loosening, y'all. I think I figured it out. I bet the hobo was in the attic so mad. What kind of screw they use? Come on. Yeah, this is the longest screw in history. Yay, we got it, chat. Woo! Alright, gangers, so this is what it looked like close up. I can do something with this. I was a little worried at first because, you know what I'm saying, I seen these little, I don't know what this is. If you're a resi electrician, let me know what these are. I thought they were shoestrings. They look like shoestrings. Like, literally look like somebody took some shoestrings and stuck some insulated wire through it, and yeah. But this is so cool, bruh. This is literally so cool. Like, your boy learned it at the crib, but this the light fixture. This is what it look like. Yeah. I mean, nothing should be hot right now. It's in my, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like, you know, some electricians say, treat everything like it's hot, you know, even test it, even though, you know, everything should be off because you never know. So I'm gonna go by how I was trained. I'm gonna test it anyway, see what's going on. But it look like, I ain't gonna lie, chat, I can work with this. I think I can work with this. I'm finna get ready to put the fan together though. And I'm gonna get back to this, but I'm gonna test it real quick, just make sure everything dead, just cause my mind telling me to do that. And yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so everything seems to be dead. Yeah. Don't joke on my vote pen, by the way. This is my backup, my own regular clown when I have lost it. And this back one becoming clutch. So yeah, everything cool, y'all. We're finna get ready to put this fan together. And yeah, we're gonna be back. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know me, I ain't no resi electrician. So is this like some type of like what is this? I know it's some type of like snap-on or something, and I'm trying to go about like the best way of pulling it off because I don't want to damage it in case I may have to reuse it. So I'm like, should I just pull them off? Like, is that what you're supposed to do? Because it's like the only option I'm kind of seeing. It's like, as you can see with this one, I got the nut in the back. I went in here with my little tiny screwdriver and unscrewed that little screw right there, but I'm trying to get these connections off without damaging them. It's just, this is unfamiliar to me, like these little terminals? But I'm finna give y'all an update. I think I'm just finna pull them off. Yeah, I think I'm finna just take like a flathead and just like pull them off so I can get this right here off. Because I'm gonna have to we had to put the mounting bracket right here. So yeah, let me know in the comments. I mean, if you're saying this, I probably already done it, but let me know what this is. Like, give me a little knowledge and let me know what I shoulda, coulda, woulda done. But I think what I'm finna do is pull these off. If you're yelling through the screen, I can't hear you. I'm sorry, but I'm finna pull these off. I just don't want to cut them. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all an update in like a second. All right, y'all. So we ended up cutting the wires. And we finally finna take this off. So What is this ground connected to? Let's cut that too. Alright, y'all, so we finally got this off. So this is officially RP, the old light fixture. And we're gonna put it in new. So y'all wish me luck. We're doing a little at-home work, so yeah. I hope my hair ain't getting dusty, but yeah. Alright, y'all, we're finna get ready to put the motor on. Well, not motor. I'm missing a step. We're finna get ready to put the bracket up here so we can mount the fan, and then yeah, I'm gonna get everything ready for the wiring, and yeah, it should be simple after that. So let me know if I'm helping y'all in the house. And if y'all enjoying the video. Alright, y'all, so I came to the middle of the flow to put all the pieces together. Dang, my camera don't want to move, but I took all the pieces from earlier, put them on the flow. Our tools of choice today is gonna be the Klein. What is this, 15-in-1? I use this like every day. It's beat up. And yeah, the Klein 8-inch hybrid pliers. I ain't gonna lie, I like these better than Lyman's. I ain't had them that long, but I like them better than Lyman's because they got everything on it. Crimper. They ain't got the wire puller. Or do they got the wire puller? They do got a wire puller on here. Cutters, they got everything, and they lighter. And I got skinny hands, so I like using these better than my Lyman's. Don't hate on me, y'all. Like, don't hate on me. Like, I still apply Lyman's for certain stuff, but I just been messing with these a little bit more. But yeah, I'm finna assemble this fan. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to really see that, so I'm probably just gonna fast forward through it because I'm still figuring out how to put it together myself. So, yeah. The goal though is to assemble, mount, then wire, and put out, etc. I think that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're gonna find out anyway. So yeah, we'll be back in a second. Alright, y'all, so update. I'm about to get ready to redo these joints because okay, my light fixture, it had 2 light bulbs, so everything was pretty much double. Like, it had a neutral and a hot for basically each light, but this new one has 1, so I'm about to take these apart. Question, is it normal in resin to have aluminum wire, or am I tripping? And check out this old wire. Like, it's some, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to do my research on code, but I ain't gonna lie, I don't know. I see some burn marks, I see aluminum, like what's really going on? I see stranded, like what's really going on? But yeah, y'all, I'm basically finna redo the joints up here. I'm gonna remove one of these wires. Cause this is my main neutral right here. I'm gonna take one of these out. I'm just gonna have one going to one light fixture, not 2 no more. And I'm gonna use these tiny little wire nuts, so I have more space to push them up in there. All right, y'all, so we're back. I had some problems mounting it, but I finally got it. I just gotta tighten it up, but yeah. So apparently whoever put this box up here, they did not give me a lot of room to work with. Let's tighten this up a little bit more. And yeah, we finna get ready to get her done. But yeah, y'all can see what I'm talking about. I ain't having a lot of room to work with, but we got it. All right, y'all, we finally got to the motor part. The wiring pretty simple, ground, neutral, and the blue and the black will tie in together with the hot coming in. So yeah, first of all though, we gotta mount this thing and undo the wiring. And yeah, other than that, we should be good to go. Alright, y'all, I just got done making up the wiring parts. I'm finna go turn the power on real quick and see if everything is right, and then I'm gonna assemble it. Actually, I'm gonna put a light bulb in here too, see if it cuts on, see if the motor spin, etc., and that it don't blow up. So fingers crossed. Yeah, let's do it. All right, y'all, almost forgot. Finna put a light bulb in here. Finna turn the power on, and we're finna go see if something explodes. So this is about to be real fun and interesting for a home project. My only concern right now is I didn't put them little shoelaces that y'all seen earlier in the vid back on here. I forgot, but I think it should be straight. And low key, I don't know if none. I hope they're not touching the bracket, but we about to see. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little test, and hopefully none explode. Alright, y'all. We're finna get turn the power back on. Which breaker was it? I believe it was this one. It didn't trip, so that's good.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. I almost forgot to record this part, but as y'all can see, it works. Ain't no blow up. Ain't no breaker trip. We cool. Figure to tighten this part of it up and wrap this thing up, man. It been like, what, a whole work shift? Well, this is my first time, so I even started to look at the code because that aluminum threw me off. Y'all know, I'm an industrial apprentice, y'all. I mean, aluminum, we don't use that stuff. Like the fans I wired up, they had whole horsepower motors. So, but this is fun though. This is what we should have been did in class like a couple of summers back. But this is real fun. Finishing touches. I ain't gonna lie, this light look a little sideways, but this ain't got nothing to do with me. I think it came out the box leaning. So, oh well. But yeah. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, we are finally done. Fan works actually looks pretty nice. It look pretty smooth. I got it on the dark because you know it kind of matched the core of the room right now. But yeah, gotta play around with the settings and stuff though. See how fast it go. But yeah, and it actually ain't loud or annoying, or it don't sound loose or nothing. So yeah. That was actually a pretty fun little project, y'all. I cannot lie. I'm just glad it didn't blow up, honestly. But I'm finna get everything all cleaned up, man. Don't look at the hair; it's bad right now. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. And yeah, y'all want to see me do some more little stuff around the house. Y'all let me know, cause I'm gonna get into it a little bit more. But yeah. I don't use these wind ladders if you're electrician. They say so. They trash. Alright, man. We out there thing.